Oh, let's open this thing up. What you got? What you got? Where's my knife? Where's my knife? Let's open this with it. Oh. So we got this product from DREAMOTor. Automotive and motorcycle accessories. Carbon fiber spoiler. See how it looks on the SI. So thanks to DREAMOTor for hooking me up with this. It's gonna look different from the duckbill, so let's check this out. Let's hope I got the right view. Oh, check that shit out, bro. Bro, that's sick. It's fucking carbon fiber. Damn. That is sick as fuck. And when I get the car at a wider stance, I'll probably get the bigger spoiler, the higher one. Damn, look at that shit. Woo-wee. That's pretty sick. I like it. Oh, I like it a lot. Just put it there real quick. And we got the mounting bolts to the centerpiece. Let's get this shit going. We got the hardware. For the centerpiece. Here we go. Goes right there. Got the bolts. And we got the middle center leg extensions. Yeah, right here. There we go. So straightforward. So we go this way. And this way. Oh, backwards. We got the R and the L. Wait, is this right? Left and right? We'll look at it right now. No, it looks like it. We're good. Does it? Nope. Back the other way. No, we had it the right way the second time. There we go. We're good right there. And let's get the bolts. Flatheads. Oh god. We just got done moving the car. I'm pretty burnt out. We just moved 300 into the garage. We're gonna get that one going. I've had that one parked for a minute now. So we're finally getting on that. Let's get you right there. Down that angle. We got something for that. We always got something for that. Let's loosen this one up so that I can get in there. Leave that loose enough so you can get the thread started on this other one. I just dropped you. See if I can drop you back in there. Yeah, I did. And get the thread started for this one. Yeah. I don't know if I got the right view. I hope I did, and I feel bad if you guys didn't. Fuck. Boom. Let's tighten you down just a little bit more. I want to over tighten it. That's pretty tight. And let's get this left one on here along with this one. Yep, we are good. Get a smaller screwdriver. There it goes. There's one. Come on, fall in the hole. Boom. 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 Extra screws, extra screws. Just throw them over here with the other extra screws. There's extra screws everywhere. Now with the 3M, let's stick the 3M on the car side. And this one will go on the plastic side. Alright guys, you're gonna have to get in there and get these little clips. Oh, where are you at? I just saw them. Those clips right there. See that clip? You get those, you're gonna push those clips off to get the spoiler off, the SI spoiler. So I'm gonna hit those, and then there's 2 bolts. That looks like 10 in there. It's like a 10 way back there. There's a 10 right there, you can see it. And then there's another 10 over here. Right there, and then you just hit those clips. And it should come off. Hopefully there's no other 10 in the center. Nope, none. Alright. So, one thing I found is you gotta make sure this is flat when installing. I got away with this side. This side got messed up a little. So, this was bulging up a little, or was it flush inside this housing? Was that flush inside? So make sure before you put your adhesive sticker on, your 3M, make sure that this plate inside is sitting inside this housing. Because I had this bulging up a little, so it was like this curve, so it wasn't gonna sit flat right here. It was gonna sit flat enough on the trunk. So I thought I fucked up, but I was able to pry this open just enough, and it snapped in. Now it's flat. Both sides are flat. Both sides are flat now. So I took the spoiler off, cleaned it up really good. So I used Shine Armor, clean it up real good, keep this paint from getting damaged. So if you haven't got your Shine Armor, get yours. I'm gonna use the interior one too, pretty soon. And I'm gonna get some body clip put in here. So right now, this is what it was sitting at. You can see the spoiler. I mean the duckbill spoiler. It was sitting right there. Paint got a little damage right there, but I just need to clean the rest of that off. But I'm gonna put it right where it's flat, right before the original duckbill spoiler was at. But yeah. That's where it's gonna sit. So I came this up just right now. I laid it on the trunk, trying to figure out how to measure this. So I put the tape in the back of it, where the spoiler was before, like I said, and I put it in the front too, where it lines up at, where it's gonna line up. And I marked it from the back, and I put a light on the trunk just to give me a shadow, and I marked it right between here. See where I marked it, lined it? I marked it right there. These are the ones I marked. I didn't have a ruler, so I just marked it back and forth. But I marked the shadow where it's supposed to be at before, and I took it off, took the tape off. Now it's really, really good, really close. Looks really good. It's amazing. Came out really good. I'm gonna take all the tape off, do a little B-roll video for before and after. So I got the spoiler installed. I wanted to thank DREAMOTOR for hooking me up with this spoiler, carbon fiber. It's a quick little video on how to remove the spoiler, the SI. I'm gonna get some body clips put in here, but I got it mounted on. So I hope that little video helps, but I like it personally. You can go to DREAMOTOR on Amazon and order yourself one. I'm thinking about getting the bigger one that's higher, until I make the body style look more wide and more low profile, so it gives that bigger spoiler a purpose, you know, not when it's all looking all stock and big ass shopping handle. This one's really good. I like how this one looks. It gives it more stock feel, so I like it a lot. So get yourself one. Go to DREAMOTOR. Get yourself one. So thanks again, guys, for letting me get one of these from you guys. I like it a lot. Came out really good. Came out really good. Gotta put that back on. So more videos to come. Just been so busy with work. So just sit tight. I got more videos coming. More car show meets, car show videos, and car meets. So thanks again. See you on the next one.